In this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to customize your Chrome profile picture. Firstly, open your Google Chrome application and access the settings. Once there, click on Customize your Chrome profile. You can choose the profile color and select a pre-existing picture, such as the corgi. However, if you want to use a specific image, follow these steps: navigate to the Users folder, then the Account and App Data, enable Hidden Items if necessary. Proceed to Local, Google, and Chrome User Data. If the Avatars folder isn't visible, select a different image first to make it appear. Now, click on the folder and replace the image you want to change. After renaming the new image, restart your browser. Your Chrome profile picture will be updated with the custom image you selected. If you found this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.